Again one more time with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Today on the menu, we're gonna give you your special soup. It is gonna be prawn soup. It is a seafood soup, and I want to say a lot of people doesn't like prawn, and a lot of people love it. A lot of people will die for it. But anyway, all over the fans and who doesn't like it, if you want me to make you a special soup, please write it below. That Chef Ricardo can look at it and make you something nice, guys. But today, we want to make you a nice soup, and it's going to be prawn. So hopefully, guys, this will be a benefit to you. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We are getting a good feedback. A lot of people love the show, and a lot of people say we can do better. So we and the team is working very hard. Hopefully we can come with better in the future. So please, guys, leave your comments. It is very important to us, the team. And also, get a copy of the cookbook. There's a 50% off. And you know what I mean, as I always say, if you got too much money, you can always donate some to Chef Ricardo and the team, because we are working very hard to get the best and the better recipe for you. Thank you so much, and hopefully we can come with the best in the future. And see you next time. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, working very hard. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely, guys. I want to say to you, I'm going to just name out all of our ingredients which I'm going to use to make my prawn soup today, which is seafood. Prawn is nice. It is good, healthy. It's also, if you're a person who loves fish, you can have it. So basically today I'm going to explain every ingredients which I have right here. First of all, I want to get this out of the way. This is Jamaican cornmeal dumpling, which I already made. If you doesn't know how to make Jamaican cornmeal dumpling, there's a few videos on my YouTube channel show you how to make it from scratch to finish, and I can also put the link below. Just ask in the description below, write the comments and ask. It is all about flour and cornmeal and water, and make yourself a nice lovely Jamaican cornmeal dumpling. So this is one item. Dumpling is a must in the soup. All right. Second thing, I have roughly a dozen prawn, which I'm gonna use, still in the shell, ready for this, ready for the water. And also I want you guys to enjoy it, and you know what I mean, just love it, guys. It's beautiful, really nice, and hopefully you will just enjoy it. All right, this is a dozen prawn, that's out the way. This is some corn. It's, in England they say corn on the cob, but in Jamaica we just call this corn. All right, so that's the corn. This is the spring onion right here. I just have one spring onion. I'm already beat it. Some fresh thyme, a Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper, some okra, and also this right here is just carrot and potato, 2 cloves of garlic, and some white onion, and some pumpkin which I'm already cut up. All of the ingredients are already cut up, guys. This is some older pepper. Some people call it pimenta in Jamaica. This is a fish tea soup. This is the flavor soup mix. This is a pumpkin mix, but we're not gonna use all of the. We're gonna use, I might use the 2-pack, give it a lovely flavor and a nice lovely taste. As you can see exactly what's going on right here. So I want you to see exactly what's going on right here, guys. This is all of the ingredients, but the most important part is this. Look at this now. Lovely. Nice. So I got a medium-sized pot right here with half pot of water inside of it. And it's cold water, but I want you guys to get exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about with it. That means we doesn't do any mistake, and then they say Chef Ricardo doesn't know what he's doing. So first thing we want to do today is to explain to you all of the ingredients which we have right here, which we want to put inside of the water. So as you can see, medium pot, half pot of water. It doesn't hot, it's cold water. So I'm just explaining to you what you need to do. First thing, we're going to put the corn inside of the water like this. Second thing, we're going to put the pumpkin. That's that beautiful pumpkin, guys. Nice and lovely. So as you can see exactly what's going on so far, we're going to put the spring onion and also fresh thyme white onion. That's about roughly half of white onion. 2 cloves of garlic. And also we got the potato and carrot. I'm gonna put it straight inside of it. Right there. Right there. And also the other pepper right there. And the okra. Next thing what we're gonna do is put in the prawn in the water like this. What we're gonna do, we want this to boil. Anytime it come to a boil, then we're gonna put in the dumpling and make everything boil together, and then we're gonna put in the flavors, everything in it. So I just want you guys to see exactly what, because I don't want to put them in one, and then it doesn't get the full story of what Chef Ricardo been doing. So this is all of it right here. Before you can put in the dumpling, the water need to boil first. All right. So what we're gonna do is put this on the stove and make it boil. Come to a boil. After I come to a boil, then we make the dumpling, put them in, put in the flavors, and then we season up the water. Then get the right and proper taste. So guys, enjoy it as we goes along with this lovely prawn soup today. Enjoy the recipe. Lovely and nice. And look at this, guys. Really nice. So this is exactly what I want to show you. So I'll make it boil down for a nice, good couple of minutes. Really well. Now what I want to do now is put in some dumpling. Like this. Lovely and nice. That's the way I'm going to put in my dumpling. Straight inside of it like that. Nice and lovely. So I have a teaspoon of fish season. Let's put it straight inside of the water. Nice and lovely. And then I got my favorite right here. Pumpkin soup mix. Just this give it a nice lovely color and a nice lovely flavor also. And also I got some fish tea flavor, and I put it straight inside of it. Just a scotch bonnet pepper inside of it, and leave that for boil for a nice good 15 minutes. Nice and lovely. So look at this, beautiful, guys, really lovely and nice. So as you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. This is finished, and I don't need to taste it because the salt is right in it. I didn't put any salt because of the noodles and the cock soup and the fish tea. You don't need any salt. This is perfect. Anyway, let's share it out. This is fantastic, guys. Turn off my stove. Man, look at this, guys. Wow. This is beautiful. Really nice. This is fantastic, beautiful, and really nice, guys, as I can see. Hopefully guys, you enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. Got a lot more recipe coming out for you. As you can see, this is the lovely soup of the prawn, and we have more coming, guys, your way. So thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, and see you next time. And this is from the team. Bye bye.